Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is Mining of Road Accident Data Using K-means and Apriori Algorithm. Let's see the abstract. Traffic accidents could happen at any time, anywhere. Some accident involves fatality, means people die in that accident. As human beings, we all want to avoid accident and stay safe. To find out how to drive safer, data mining technique could be applied on the traffic accident dataset to find out some valuable information, thus give driving suggestions. We use the FORCE dataset for our study. The fatal accident dataset contains all fatal accidents on public roads. Here we use a priori algorithm to find the frequent accident in a particular location. Let's see the flow. First we have to select the dataset. Here we use fatal accident dataset and load the dataset in our database. After loading, we have to do the next step, which is pre-processing. In pre-processing step, we have to remove the null element and irrelevant data. Next step is feature selection. Here we will select the important feature for an input of the finding frequent pattern. To find the frequent pattern, here we use a priori algorithm. For that use, we select feature selection. After find the frequency of the accident in a particular location, we cluster the data, which is we cluster the similar data in this step. After clustering, we'll generate the result generation. Here we generate a chart for the accident. Let's see the running process. First click on index.java, right click on it and click run file. After you will get this index page. Next step is we have to select the dataset. Click on browse, select the dataset. This is our selected dataset. Now we are loading our dataset into our database. Next step is pre-process. In pre-process step, we remove the null elements, and in some dataset we may have some special symbols, so we have to remove those symbols in this step. And this is feature selection. Here we will select the important feature for the processing. Click on view. Here you can see. And next step is a priori algorithm implementation. Click on this button. Now you can see the latitude and longitude and the frequency. So this is the frequency and latitude and longitude, and total item count will be here, and frequency of the item, which is the highest frequency, will be displayed here. Total frequency of this particular latitude and longitude is 12, and we'll find out this support and confident. Next step is clustering. Here in first cluster, we have similar data in cluster 2 and cluster 3. And final step is result generation. Here we'll have the most frequented latitude and longitude. The result will have the normal, low and high rated accident counting. And in map that particular latitude and longitude will be showed in a map. Thank you for watching.